To send money from Revolut to Crypto.com easily, start by ensuring you have a Revolut account and a Crypto.com account. If you do not have these accounts, sign up for them by downloading their respective mobile applications and following the registration process. Once you have both accounts, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Payments section. Select the option to send money and choose the currency you want to send. In this case, you will likely be sending fiat currency such as US dollars or euros. Next, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Account section. Find the option to deposit fiat currency and select the currency you want to deposit. You will be given a unique reference number and the bank details of Crypto.com, including the account number, routing number, and SWIFT code. Go back to your Revolut account and enter the bank details provided by Crypto.com. Make sure to include the unique reference number in the payment description to ensure the funds are credited to your Crypto.com account correctly. Review the payment details carefully, including the amount, currency, and recipient information. Confirm the payment and wait for the funds to be transferred. This process may take a few hours or days, depending on the currency and the payment method. Once the funds are credited to your Crypto.com account, you can use them to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To do this, navigate to the trading section of the Crypto.com app and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to spend and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that sending money from Revolut to Crypto.com may incur fees, including transfer fees and exchange rate fees. Make sure to check the fees associated with the transaction before confirming the payment. Additionally, be aware of the minimum and maximum deposit limits for fiat currency on Crypto.com. By following these steps, you can easily send money from Revolut to Crypto.com and start trading cryptocurrencies. Always prioritize security and use two-factor authentication to protect your accounts.